Hello everyone. Today I am present my project on the topic for bit parallel in serial out PISO shift register. The register is decisioner is convert parallel that into serial output. What if what is a PISO shift register? A shift register is a digital memory carcass used for the starting and transmitting date in parallel in the mode. All 4 bits of that are load simulations. In serial out mode, the data is output the bit at a time, synchronized by the clock signal. How is PISO shift register works? During the load phase, all 4 bits loading into the register simulations. During the shift phase, with each release clock H on bit is shift out a serial output. The bit is transmit starting from most signal bit MSB down the least signals bit LSB. Key signal of this is that in 4-bit parallel input vector load a control signal and load that introduces the register. Click the clock signal that controls the shift process that out the serial output where bits appear one by one. Application of PISO shift register. Data communication system first, second, serial to parallel and the parallel to serial that conversion. And the memory and the buffer cards and the memory and the FPG decisioner. Concludes the PISO register eventually converts parallel data into serial from it reduces the number of data lines required with crucial for high-speed communication. PISO registers are essential components in most digital communication system. This next, how let's move on the quartz. Here you can see my visual code. In the entry block, I decision in inputs click load that in and output that out. Inside architecture section name IRC, the behavior is implemented using process that sentence the resist each of the clock signal. When load 1, the 4-bit input data load into register. When load 0, the register shift is contents to the right on each clock cycle. The project was successfully completed, very no errors. Next, I performed simulation using the bolt on Quartz waveform. The timing diagram shows that when a load is active, the data is loaded into the register and after the 1 bit is output on each clock pulse. If implements on an FPGA development board the current world work simulator, we called load that using button and observe the serial output the leads of logic analysis. This conclusion is as a result of the project 4-bit parallels in serial out shift register was successfully decisioned and tested. The main challenge very correctly organize the load and the shift piece and accurately setting up the timing diagrams. The issues we resolved those careful good analysis simulates. In the future, this design could be imported by adding features such as directional control for shifting or supporting a large number of bits. Thank you very much. Goodbye.